Begin by removing the factory sway bar link at the housing tab, then remove the nut on the top of the link from the sway bar. The flexible joint may be seated tight into the sway bar, where a tie rod puller may be required to remove the link from the bar. Install the steel post to the sway bar link tab located on the axle housing, paying close attention to where the hole for the retaining pin is located. It should be set in a horizontal position to allow easy access when removing the pin. Be sure to torque down the nut to the specs listed in the instructions. Next, place the U-shaped bracket stud through the underside of the sway bar eyelet and secure it with the nut supplied in the kit. With the weight of the vehicle on all 4 tires, set the sway bar parallel with the frame. Measure and adjust the quick disconnect links to the distance between the steel post and the mounting point of the U-shaped bracket. The mount should be at a 90-degree angle to the sway bar location, allowing the link to travel freely during operation. Install the top link to the U-shaped bracket using the supplied fasteners, then slide the bottom eyelet of the link over the post bracket on the housing. Snug the jam nuts down tight on both sides. Then lubricate the links using a grease gun.
To purchase this product or for more information, visit RockJock4x4.com. Also, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep up with all our videos.